Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a double layered chocolate mint cheesecake. It has a mint to Oreo crust at the bottom, then a chocolate cheesecake, then mint to Oreos in the middle, then a mint cheesecake layer. It's topped with a mint chocolate ganache and crushed Oreos at the top. It is delicious, so let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. To make the mint Oreo crust, place the mint Oreos into a food processor and then process them until fine crumbs form. Then place them into a small bowl. Reserve 2 tablespoons of the crumbs for garnishing. Then add in the melted butter and mix them together until they're well combined. And you'll need to prepare the springform pan. To do that, remove the sides. Then place a sheet of parchment paper onto the base, and then place the sides back into place, and then cut off the excess using scissors. Then grease the pan, and then press the crumbs evenly into the bottom of the pan. Then bake it in the oven for 5 minutes until it's set. Then after 5 minutes, remove it from the oven and turn the temperature down to 325. Then to make the chocolate cheesecake layer, melt the dark chocolate either in the microwave or over a double boiler. And then set it aside and let it cool. Then separate the eggs. Set aside the egg whites for now. Then add the egg yolks into a medium bowl. And then beat them with an electric mixer until they become light. Then add in the sugar and softened cream cheese and beat them in until they're well combined. And then add in the unsweetened cocoa powder and mix it in until it's combined. Then scrape down the sides of the bowl and mix it again until all the ingredients are mixed in. Then in a small bowl, add in the egg whites. Then beat them until they form soft peaks. You'll have to use clean beaters for this or your egg whites will not whip up properly. Then add it to the rest of the mixture and fold it in gently until it's combined. Then add in the cooled melted chocolate that we did at the beginning and mix it in until it's thoroughly combined. Then pour the chocolate cheesecake into the cooled crust. Spread it out to the edges. And then set it aside for now. Then for the mint cheesecake layer, in a medium bowl, add in the eggs and beat them until they become light. Then add in the softened cream cheese, sugar, mint extract, and green food coloring, and mix them in until they're well combined. And if you like, add additional food coloring until it reaches your desired color. Then add some broken up mint Oreos to the top of the chocolate cheesecake. Then carefully pour the mint cheesecake mixture over the top. Then bang the pan onto the countertop a few times to release any big air bubbles. Then wrap the bottom of the pan in aluminum foil. And place the pan into a baking sheet. Then place it into the oven. And then pour boiling water into the baking sheet. This helps to make sure the cheesecake doesn't crack on top. And then bake it for about an hour until it turns a light golden brown color on top. Then once it's done, remove it from the oven, and then place the cheesecake onto a towel. Then once it's cooled enough to handle, remove the aluminum foil. Then place it onto a cooling rack and let it cool completely. While it's cooling, you can make the mint chocolate ganache. To do that, pour the hot, heavy cream over the mint chocolate chips. Then let it sit for 2 minutes, and then mix them until they're well combined. And if you don't have mint chocolate chips, what you can do is you can use semi-sweet chocolate chips and then add some mint extract. Then pour the mint chocolate ganache over the top of the cheesecake. Then spread it out until it's covering the top. And then bang the pan onto the countertop to level it out. Then sprinkle the reserved Oreo crumbs over the top. Then wrap it in plastic wrap. And then refrigerate it for at least 6 hours or overnight. Then after that time, remove it from the fridge and remove the plastic wrap. Then run a butter knife around the edges to loosen it. And then remove the sides of the springform pan. And also remove the base of the pan. And remove the parchment paper from underneath too if you like. Then to make clean cuts, dip a sharp knife into some hot water. Dry it off using a paper towel, and then you can slice it and serve it. And that's how to make a double layer chocolate mint cheesecake. Be sure to check out my channel because I've got over 100 amazing recipes. And be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.